How does mobility of electrons in a conductor change if the potential difference applied across the conductor is doubled, keeping length and temperature of conductor constant? Here, mobility of electrons in a conductor does not depend upon potential difference. So, if we double the potential difference, or if the length or the temperature is kept constant, so there will be no effect on the potential difference because mobility has no relation with potential difference. So since mobility and potential difference are independent of each other, hence mobility will not change. Now